Respect for another's rights and goods. We must not, however, spend too much time describing different forms of theft. We should note, in brief, that whatever devices we use to grow rich at another's expense, when they deviate from Christian honesty which should be dear to us, and when they are manipulated for some sly or harmful end, must be considered theft. For although those who behave this way often win their case before a judge, God nevertheless regards them as no better than thieves. He knows the traps which crafty people set ahead of time in order to catch the ignorant in their nets. He knows how harsh are the demands which the more powerful make on the weaker in order to tread them down. He knows how venomous are the flatteries employed by those who want to charm someone so as to cheat him. Such things elude men's knowledge. Moreover, to transgress this commandment is to wrong someone not only in matters of money, goods, or property, but also in any or all of his rights. For we rob our neighbor of what is his, if we refuse him the services we owe him. Therefore, if a steward, sharecropper, or tenant farmer, instead of keeping an eye on his master's goods, leads an idle life, without caring about the welfare of the one who feeds him, if he merely wastes what is entrusted to him or throws it away on luxuries, if a servant mocks his master, reveals his secrets, and contrives to work against his interests, his reputation, or his life, if, on the other hand, the master treats his household cruelly, that is theft in God's sight. For anyone who fails to do to others the duty which his calling entails withholds what belongs to them. We will thus obey the commandment if, being content with our lot in life, we seek to profit only by honest and lawful means. If we do not desire to get rich by wronging our neighbor. If we do not plot to destroy him so as to seize his property for ourselves. If we do not strive to garner wealth at the cost of someone else's blood or sweat. If we do not, from here or there, by fair means or foul, heap up all we can to satisfy our greed or to fritter it away in lavish spending. Especially do we obey when we aim always to assist everyone as much as we can, with our advice and with our substance, so that they may preserve what is theirs. And if we should happen to have dealings with wicked and deceitful men, let us be ready rather to relinquish what is ours than to fight them with the same evil intent. Not only that, but when we see some who are in poverty, we should contribute to their wants and relieve their distress out of our abundance.